Children, this is Shivalsar speaking. Children, as of now, we have completed exercise 11.1 and today we will be dealing with some questions of exercise 11.2. I have drawn some figures on the board, 4 questions from question number 1. These are of parallelograms. So we will be finding the area of parallelogram, to find the area of parallelogram. So the very first thing that we need to understand, what is parallelogram? Before we switch over to the concept of area of parallelogram, we need to understand what is parallelogram first. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which there are 4 sides, closed figure, 4-sided polygon, and the speciality of such figures are opposite sides are parallel and equal. For an example, let me draw one rough figure for you all. This is a parallelogram, right? So how we could say that this figure belongs to the parallelogram category? We need to understand the opposite sides are parallel. This side and this sides are parallel and they are equal in measure. Similarly, this side and this sides, these two opposite sides are parallel and they are equal in measure. If such conditions gets applied on a figure in which opposite sides are parallel and equal in measure, we could say that the figure is a parallelogram. More concepts are there which belongs to parallelogram category, like diagonals of parallelogram, they bisect each other. Matlab, this part and this part's equal, this part and this part's are equal. They bisect each other and opposite angles are of equal measure. Suppose this angle, this one's opposite angle is this one, and this one's opposite angle is this one. These opposite angles are of equal measure. More categories are there. So as of now, we we understood what is parallelogram and all. So we have to understand that what is how to find the area of parallelogram. So this is what I'm going to explain right now. I'm going to find the area of parallelogram. Here, the formula of area of parallelogram is base into height. Children, this formula needs to be kept in mind. Base into height, the product of base and height results area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. As we will be promoted to higher classes, we will come to know more about parallelogram. Right now, as we are studying in class 7, so we will only understand the area of parallelogram, how to find the area of parallelogram. So right now, children, so this is the base and this is the height. Suppose for this particular figure, the measure of the base is 7 centimeter, measure of the base is 7 centimeter, and the measure of the height is 4 centimeter. Measure of the height is 4 centimeter. So children, how to find the area of this figure? Area is equal to base into height is equal to 7 into 4. 4 sevens are 28 centimeter square. I already got my answer. The area of this particular figure is 28 centimeter square. The next one is base is 5 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter. So naturally the area will be area is equal to base into height. Base is 5 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter. 3 into 5 is 15 centimeter square. Now the next one, number C. Area is equal to base into height. Same formula will be applied for all these figures. So naturally the measure of the base is 2.5 centimeter and the height is 3.5 centimeter. So 2.5 and 3.5. So I can apply the multiplication process for decimals. That can be utilized. I'm just removing this point and I'm supposed to get 10. I'm removing this point and I'm supposed to get 10. Now the product of 25 and 35. So just spare me for 2 minutes. 25 and 35 is 875. 875 by 10 tens are 100. It's 8.75 centimeters square. This is the area of question number C. Now the next one. You might be getting confused seeing this figure, that where is the base and where is the height. No need to get confused. Just look at the figure properly. We know that height always forms 90 degree with its base. Now in the previous figure we have seen base is lying just parallel to the ground. But in this particular situation, this is the base and this is the height. No matters whether the base is in the downside or upper side or right side or left side, doesn't matter at all. Base should be always perpendicular with the height. Height should be always perpendicular with the base. So the base is 5 centimeter and height is 4.8 centimeter. So naturally area is equal to base into height, 4.8 into 5. So I'm removing this point and I'm supposed to get 10. 5 2s are 10 and 2 24s are 48. So the area is 24 centimeters square. Children, these were some basic concepts of parallelogram. We understood how to find the area of parallelogram. As we will be promoted to higher classes, more concepts of parallelogram will be there. So one thing before I conclude the concept of parallelogram, we need to understand parallelogram has got many categories: rhombus, square, rectangle. Parallelogram itself, they comes under spatial parallelogram category. So this is what I had to explain about parallelogram. Now, one more concept, that is of area of triangle. So I'll be giving one example how to find the area of a triangle. Triangle is a three-sided polygon in which there are 3 sides and 3 angles exist. So the formula for area of triangle is area is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. So this half comes from the formula. Base and the height will be multiplied to each other. So here in this particular figure, as we all can see, that the base is measuring 4 centimeter. Now you might be thinking, that's how did you understand this? This one is the base. Actually, the height which has been drawn, it's perpendicular with this one or with this side. That made me understand that this is the base and this is the height. Height and base always should be perpendicular on each other and they should form 90 degree. So that's why the measure of the base is 4 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. So this is what I'm going to do right now. Half into base is 4, height is 3, 2 2s are 4. I'm just cancelling it out by 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6 centimeters square. This is the area of this triangle. So children, this is how we have to find the area of triangle. More questions are given in the exercise. I'll be expecting from you all to try out these similar questions which I've explained right now. And here are the questions and explanation on parallelogram. Till then, thank you so much children. Bye-bye. Take care.